Hey everyone, I just want to share with you what I find out. If you already have Cyberduck and you cannot find the way that send the command, this is on Windows 7. Windows 7, you have to go to the top and stay in there and go back where it say send command. You type your command in there, which is gonna be the UI catch. Then you send it. That's the only thing you have to do. That's the way I was able to get Cydia up here. And make sure when you're on your iPhone, make sure your iPhone pop the little screen that it say the S and H is like it's on. Then it's gonna let you connect. Otherwise, it's not gonna let you connect between the phone and the computer, because if it's not enabled, it's not gonna let it connect. So you might wanna make sure reboot your phone and start the jailbreak again. It's gonna tell you, enable jailbreak. You have to go the process again, and then like you say, you have to turn the tweak off in Electra and run the jailbreak again, and that sign will pop and it say your SNH series is on. Then you can go ahead and get Cyberduck and open it out. That's the only way it'll work. So once you open, you can go ahead and do all this. Alright guys, I hope it's really helpful for you guys, which it was for me. I spent all day trying to look for how to send the command, and it was always in there. And this is on Windows 7. On the Mac, you can find that window. That window appear over here. This one is high and go. Like I say, you go and go and send command. Send command is gonna send it straight to the phone. So that's what I did. I got the Cydia on, wasn't showing. All right. Thanks for watching.